walk, that retarded run.
Do it, D'Angelo. Y'all say hi.
Hi.
Rush high.
Look at that booty. We're going to Food4Less. We're going to Food4Less. We're going to Food4Less. Look at me, who's that? Nobody.
Doing a video?
Yeah.
There's what this. See, I'm retarded right
We're going to Food4Less. We're going to Food4Less.
See my mangoes?
Ew.
What are you doing this for?
Just to do it. I'm going to put it on YouTube.
For Shelly.
Or Facebook or something.
No, put it on Facebook.
Okay.
No!
Why?
Because I'm Ratchet.
You want to
Who cares?
Who cares?
Really? Everybody done seen your ass ratchet before?
Already?
Look, she ratchet on a daily basis. At least you ain't hurt.
Look at her. Look at her about to cry.
I passed it.
Oh, you ain't done?
You talk hella.
Yeah.